Find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, let go of any tension or stress. Now, bring to mind something or someone you are grateful for. It could be a person, an experience, or a simple pleasure. Feel the warmth of gratitude fill your heart. As you breathe in, imagine that you are breathing in gratitude, filling your entire being with a sense of appreciation and thankfulness. As you breathe out, let go of any negative thoughts or feelings, making space for more gratitude. Allow yourself to savor this feeling. Notice how it makes you feel lighter, more connected, and at peace. Gratitude is a powerful tool for shifting our perspective and embracing the abundance of our lives. Take another deep breath in, feeling the gratitude grow even stronger. As you exhale, silently say, "Thank you," acknowledging the blessings in your life. Gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of gratitude with you throughout your day, knowing you can always return to this simple yet profound practice. May you be safe, be happy, be healthy, live with ease.